Let's talk about the big F word today, and that is forgiveness. My name is Sneha Shah, and I'm a psychologist. We all experience hurts, upsets, disappointments, betrayals in our life. At times, we may carry it for a day or two, sometimes for weeks, months, and even years, hoping that at some point they will get resolved. What happens when you do this? You carry the hurt, the upset, and that drains your energy over a period of time, and the other person might not even realize or acknowledge it. So it's important to understand what is forgiveness. Forgiveness is not about saying that what the other person has done is okay, but it's literally about freeing yourself from the experience. And what this does is that it makes your energy available to you. It frees you from all the negative emotions that you have been carrying for a while, that you have been storing in your body, and that's draining your energy, your own mental state. Forgiveness is a beautiful act of caring and loving for yourself. Forgiveness often does not have anything to do with the other person, but it is all about the gift that you are willing to give yourself. How will you know that you have really forgiven a person? When you forgive a person or a situation, it no longer bothers you. You're no longer upset thinking about it. You know that it has happened and you are able to let it go and put it in the past. What are the steps to forgiveness? And actually, they are pretty simple. The first is to completely acknowledge and accept what you're feeling without judgment. The second is to be able to express it, and it may not even involve the other person, but you could either write it down, speak it out to someone, or just get it out of your system. And the third thing is the willingness to release it and to tell yourself that today I am willing to let it go and it no longer bothers me, and this is the biggest gift to myself. So 3 simple processes to forgiveness. I would love to hear from you on the comments below. What are you willing to forgive, and how is that going to make you feel?